Factor completely. If a polynomial is prime, state this. We have 45r squared plus 60r plus 20. The very first thing we're going to do is look for a common factor. If we look at these three terms, we see that we can factor out of 5. So we write 5 times 9r squared. 5 times 12 is 60. And 5 times 4 would be 20. Now we look at the trinomial that's inside the parentheses. There are 3 terms, and note that the first term, 9r squared, is the square of 3r. The last term, 4, is the square of 2. So we may have a perfect square trinomial. To check, we have to look at that middle term, multiply the 3r times the 2, which gives us 6r, double that, and we get the 12r. So we do have a perfect square trinomial. When we have this, we can just write the factorization directly as 3r, that's the square root of 9r squared, plus 2, that's the square root of 4, squared. Now, especially since we did so much work on our head, it's very important to multiply this out and then multiply it by 5, and we would see that we had the original polynomial. So the factorization is 5 times 3r plus 2 squared.